Hi friends, I'm in Tharapit, West Bengal. This is one of the holy place in India. So I'm going to the temple today, stay here for a few days and then going to a different place. Hi friends, right now I'm Mata's temple. This is a famous destination for the Indian people, one of the famous holy place in India, Matara temple. Friends, this is Tarapit's Mahashashan, burning heart. This is the end journey, end of the journey for people. So show the place. This is the holy man Bama Khapa's temple right here. So people are here for watching all those people and people who die, they burn here. So this is the most holiest place in the earth, can say. So I'm here. I feel so devoted in this place. Really devoted. Hi friends, I'm right now in Kalighat. There's a small snack store in Apanchal, very famous for the fish fry, egg doubles. I'm gonna try, buy one of each and I'm gonna try. Let's see how famous. These are the raw one, fish fry, fish diamond, egg chops, veg chops, eggs mutton devil big one. So I'm going to try each or every one. Let's see how it is. This is really famous street food in Kolkata. Let me try. So delicious guys, so good. So crispy and delicious. Fish fry, I'm going to try the fish fry now. So good, fantastic. I'm right now in Kolkata, the small store Ashirwad. The kachori, they have kachori, jalebi, and khasta kachori, samosa, so good. I'm gonna try the kachori, Radha Vallavi. Oh my god, awesome, really good. This is in Raspberry Avenue and Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata. It's Kalighat, right? Yeah. This is Kalighat. So I'm going to try the khasta kachori. So good. My God. Jalebi, so good. Really big, crispy and so juicy. So delicious, guys. So good. Right now I'm at Raspberry Avenue, Kalighat. This is the store. Bachchan Tandoori Lab. I'm going to try. I ordered chicken tikka. Let me try one. Oh my god. So soft, so juicy, so delicious. I recommend you guys to come here and try this kebab. Really good. I'm having lassi. It's a really famous lassi made with the milk and yogurt. It's really cold milk, you can say. Let me try. Oh my god, so good. Fast food place in Kolkata. This is the favorite roll place, kathi roll. This is one of the best kathi roll places in Kolkata. Cherry Bengal restaurant in Calcutta right now. I ordered chicken roll, kathi roll, fish fry. I'm gonna try all of them today. I'm gonna try how the rolls really taste and the fish fry. This is a really authentic Calcutta fish fry. And we have Dijon mustard. Let me try and let you know how it is. This is the Calcutta favorite condo. So good. Oh my god, this is really fantastic, lovely, so good. So good. I have Mughlai paratha. Now let me try the paratha first. So good. So good, sir. I hope you enjoyed the video. I see you soon with another video.